Kuliah ni fibro kejim tip nam tai kubur Laitkam te kadon kuwe post kabala jong Hostel Warden blap pelaj lang baga SCSTE State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya. Te yang ni pe kata advertisement. Applications are invited from eligible candidate for the post of Hostel Administration com Warden tang iwehi tang nam tai kan female candidate only on a contractual basis for a period of 10 months. Shipo banai. The detail of qualification and eligibility criteria can be seen in the website. Fill up on page of our website www.scste.org. Ka form ro laban yo nang tu, fill up on print sa topic form. Fill up on submit pada to the office of the undersigned or office email. Connect email stcouncil/mac@meghalaya.gov.in on or before 19 July 2024. Fill up malay submit hapok office dan fill up ban submit lengba ke email. Hang ni ada batai. The yang ni mentai qualification jong kane pada tekane the eligibility criteria hostel position the hostel administration com warden ke essential qualification de bachelor degree in science ngudba pide bande be yaka BSc ada kano konoro tamade BSc tamade tang nam tai kan thai female candidate only proven experience as a hostel warden, previous experience as a hostel administrator, excellent communication and interpersonal skill, organizational skill, ability to handle emergency, should have the capability to manage both video and photo recording with a camera. Ka jaka of posting kadai SIRD Nongsder Ribohoi district, ka Tulop kadai live khandai hajar manager level. Salary will be negotiable for candidate with exceptional experience and qualification. Temut ba ki ba biang bha ka experience but qualification kinsa ya negotiate gila bantam ya live khandai hajar ro. Technical essential skill for the position, good written and verbal communication, expert in basic computer knowledge like word processing, spreadsheet, PowerPoint presentation, extra. Age limit kadai haduk sau pesan senam. Place of posting ada batai kadai hanong seder ada betu angtai. Ka remuneration ada betu angtai live khandai hajar. Mobile allowance will be included. Additionally, temut ba kinsa ai ka mobile allowance laga jongru as may be admissible from time to time. Duration of contract kadai shipo banai la ban renew ru subject to the performance satisfaction of SCSTE. A detailed document of term and condition will be provided to the selected candidate. Taken dalayo saya kerani kita ki ibro. For applying for the above position, candidate have to fill in application. Take a form ru kadon ngene po website ji fill up and download in the prescribed format with credential to the office of the undersigned or office email. Fill up and send lang baga office email lan ne siapa office tetapi lech po office. Kandang email stcouncil@meghalaya.gov.in on or before 19 July 2024. Te pihak pulih bhai ki eligibility criteria ki condition e bro ke bade hang tu. Last date of receive application kadai khandai July up to 5 p.m. Detailed information about the position are also made available in SCSTE website. Okay. Hang ni kaong ba there will be direct personal interview for the position. The personal interview will be held only in Shillong. Hapo Shillong bai la pikwa 11. Te bin 1 bai hapo Shillong. Te sa pulih bhai kini information baro namta itu ki bakwa ban apply. Te kane ka form format kla don lupa bai hang ni pila ban download bai na po website scste.org. Te pin sayo e kane te pin sa pandap ya kane ban pin sab ban submit pin lai po office ne pin submit online ka shong happy te pulih bhai instruction namta itu ki bakwa ban apply namta kane ka post te ka office jongane kane ka yu kala da batang te Meghalaya State Housing Financing Cooperative Society Limited Nongrim Hills behind Bethany Hostel Shillong. Te fila ban lech hang ne ka office ne pin shu pha lang bak email ne pin shu phone hiang tu ne te ta gi bakwa ban apply te sale e ka bron kam namta kane ka post te tang gine gi jumtip khlishgun.